first graders, we are talking about opinion writing. So yesterday you should have written about your favorite fruit. Let's talk about opinion writing for just a minute. When we are writing an opinion writing piece, you are trying to tell others the way that you think or the way that you feel. You might also try to convince them to agree with you by giving them reasons and details that support your opinion. So every paragraph that you write for an opinion writing needs to have a topic sentence or an introduction. That is a sentence that you are going to use to state your opinion. I think this is the best. I think everybody should do this. That's where you're going to want to state your opinion. Then we are going to use 2 to 3 detail sentences. Those sentences are going to be your reasons. I think this because, I feel this way because, I also think this because. Those are sentences you can use to share your reasoning or details or try to convince other people to agree with you. Then at the very end, we need to have a conclusion that restates your opinion. That is why I think this is the best. I think that this is the best. Here are some reasons why. Whatever you want to write at the end. So, yesterday we talked about the best fruit to eat. Now, we talked about a few different types of fruits, and you should have filled out your circle map, which looks like this. So, I filled one out and I chose to do oranges. So, in the center here, where it says fruit, is where I put my opinion. Okay? Then these are details or reasons why I like oranges. So I said that I like oranges because they are citrusy. I said I like oranges because they are healthy for you. I said I like oranges because I like orange juice. And I said I like oranges because I like the color orange. Okay? Now the next page in your writing packet looks like this. This is called a graphic organizer. It helps you take these thoughts that you had in your circle map and add them into a more organized way of thinking so that you could write a story off of this. So there's a few things here. First of all, as always, don't forget your name. Then right here is your topic sentence. So our topic sentence says, the best fruit to eat is a blank. So in that blank is where you're going to write your favorite fruit. Okay? The next section is reason, reason, reason. That's where you're going to put the details about why you think that this fruit right here is the best. So you're going to write a sentence here, a new sentence here, and a new sentence here. Now, these do not need to be complete sentences, but if you think in more full sentences with capitals and periods, then you will be able to write a story quickly. Now, when you're writing your reasons, I want you to really think about it. Just saying I like it because I like it is not really a good reason. So try to dig deeper and think of why you like it. What is it that you like about that fruit? Don't just tell me you like it. Okay? Then our very last sentence is our conclusion. And it already has the sentence frame written for you. It says, a blank is the tastiest fruit of all. Okay, so the only thing you need to do is fill in that blank with the same one that you put up here. Okay, let's take a look at my example. So once again, I wrote about oranges. So I got my name up at the top. Sorry. Okay. Then it says the best fruit to eat is an orange. Okay, then I stated 3 reasons. Now remember, we're not going to write I like oranges because that's not a reason why you like them. So my first reason was the color orange is my favorite. So I like oranges because I like the color orange. Okay, then I state my second reason. Oranges are very healthy. So oranges are good for you. So that's another reason why I like oranges. Then my third reason is my favorite drink is orange juice. So that's my third reason. So now I have 3 reasons to try to convince you to try some orange juice. Then we move on to our conclusion. And once again, an orange is the tastiest fruit of all. So you restate your opinion. I'm excited to see what fruits are your favorite, and I'm excited to see your graphic organizer. Um, in your writing packet when you return it. Awesome job, and we'll come back tomorrow for another circle map.